How to change default ringtone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, you can view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. These settings allow users to customize both the audio feedback and physical vibrations, also known as haptics, for various actions and notifications. Users can adjust volume, choose different sounds, and manage how haptics behave. Haptics can be enabled or disabled for the keyboard, system controls, and specific alerts. Here, go to the ringtone as shown. Scroll down to view all the ringtone sounds available and select the one that you like. You have now successfully changed your ringtone. Following these steps, you can easily change default ringtone on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.